Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys a part of my morning routine. Before I even go on my phone, I love to start my mornings by journaling and having my coffee. This day I actually had a bit of time to do some reading. I normally do this at the night. This is the current read at the moment. This really helps me align for the day and have a good mindset. I've actually been doing this for quite some time and I really push you guys to do the same. I've noticed such a difference throughout the day and I just like to have this time to relax in the morning, not look at my phone, and really sets the intention for the day. Another part of my morning routine is making my bed. I just feel so much better when I make my bed and seeing the room clean. And of course, there's going to be those days where you're running late and you'll have to make your bed when you get back. But if I have extra time, for sure, I'm going to put 5 minutes just to make my bed really quick.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna be doing a quick natural makeup. I normally don't put makeup every single day, but also I'm like still waking up because I was pretty tired, but it's time to be productive and get things done. Once I already put my Clinique Moisture Surge Intense, I recently got this and I really like it because it's just very hydrating. I'm just going to be putting on my CC cream and this already has SPF, so that is perfect. So now I'm just gonna put away all this makeup that I took out to do my makeup, but I'll show you guys my outfit really quickly. But yeah, this is my outfit. My top is from Zara. It's just like this nice purple color, and then my earrings are from Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, they look like they're two little hoops, but I think they look really cute. And then my jeans are just from Zara, so a whole Zara fit going on today. So I need to clean my room, I need to study and just run a couple errands, and I'm just going to go to Target really quickly and I need to pick up some books as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys that when I get back. Okay guys, oof, it's like hot. But okay, so I just picked up this book and I'm so excited. This is 21 Lessons for the 21st Century. I'm so excited about this book. And yeah, I also requested to pick up another book, Atomic Habits, which I thought it was going to be ready, but it's not. And I think people are staring, but I really like that. I've always wanted to read that book. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is going to Target, and I have to return something and look around. So I'm going to be going to Target now. Also, sorry about the reflection of my glasses, but I cannot see. There was so many cute things in Target that I just can't. But yeah, I just ended up getting just one thing, which is the normal body wash that I use. This is the Target brand, and it's just this one. I really like it. It's like similar to the Dove, but I don't know, I really like the smell of this, so I always like to get that, and I was running out, so I needed to pick that up. Either way, I'm gonna do a quick rundown of what I need to do right now. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna change out of these clothes, but then I also need to do laundry, so we'll see. Let's get started. I need to fix my room, I need to do laundry, and I need to do homework, study, and do a couple of stuff on my computer. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what's the situation that I'm dealing with. But yeah, I just really need to fix this up and start doing some laundry, but I'll show you guys. But yeah, I basically needed to do all this, kind of embarrassing, but I also need to fix all the situation that was in like my duffel. But yeah, I need to fix like all that. Also, those clothes are like to donate, and I always donate my clothes. I never really like sell my clothes, but there are some pieces that I feel like I could sell. So I have this huge box for like Depop, but I'm still like fixing like my account and stuff like that. But by the time that this video goes up, if I have a Depop, I'll make sure to put it on the screen if you guys are interested, just because I think that there's some pieces that I feel like people might want to buy, but there's definitely some pieces that are to donate. But yeah, I basically have this huge bin that I put Depop. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna be fixing this and sorting through the colors so I can just start doing laundry. So I'm gonna be watching some YouTube while I clean. Also, I just have random stuff everywhere, and I'm not even gonna show you guys my desk yet because this is like bad, but let me just start cleaning, fixing around, and all that. Here is empty and I just separated everything out. So now that everything is separated, I'm just gonna continue washing. Also, by the way, it's 4:55 right now and I just finished cleaning my desk. I'm going to get started doing some work on my desk, so let's get started on doing some work.
Here I took a little lunch break. It's very important to take some time and make sure that you eat. So I was very hungry and that food was so delicious. I am obsessed with plantains. So good.
Show you guys this calendar that I really like. I was gonna show you guys the May one, but I already have it filled out. So I had actually printed out for June, but I'm gonna show you guys. I have a agenda where I have everything that I need to do, but sometimes I like looking at the whole month, and I have the ones like online and everything like that. But I don't know, something about having like the paper. I just need to see everything, you know, like online and just paper. But basically, like the website is called iMom, and they have different like styles and everything like that, and you can just print it out. And I feel like it's good to have like on a bulletin board or just important days that you need to like remember. It's always like good to have something like this. And I really like this one because it says this month I am grateful for. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys because I've been using this recently, and again I use this. I have my agenda and I have my online calendar. I don't know, I just need to have everything in like different formats, just so I don't forget stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, this is just like regular paper. Okay guys, I am coming from my phone, which honestly, like, this phone quality is really good. But either way, basically hoodie is on and I'm still not done cleaning. However, I feel like I did really good today. And you know, sometimes you just have those days where, like, you know, you just want to like lay in bed all day. And I didn't wake up that early today, but I still felt pretty productive. Since today is like my day off, I still have a little bit of things to do, and it is around 6, but I think I'm gonna end the video off here. And just know that not every single day has to be like super productive or anything like that. There's definitely days where, you know, you just have to take some time and like relax, but there's other days where, you know, you just want to do like the most that you can. But yeah, I really hope that you guys have a great day or night whenever you guys are watching this, and I'll see you guys very soon. Make sure to like, subscribe, you guys already know the deal, and see you guys very soon. Bye.